What are we doing today, Freddy?
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing some interior lighting with some LEDs that I had left over from a Harley build I did years ago. So I've had this roll of the little 3M adhesive LEDs. These are blue. I just soldered these two ends on here and then use some hot glue to make it sturdy. But I'm going to measure in the car about where I want to put the lights. Like under here and then the passenger side, so I'm going to measure out how long I want the strips, and then I'm going to try to figure out something in the back seat too, maybe up under here, build like a little thing so the lights can shine through. Alright, got both sides for the front soldered on. I'm going to hot glue this one for extra safety measures. Just use a cheap old soldering iron. I did the length for the two front ones 16 inches across. That should cover the whole inside. Alright, since the adhesive backing on these LEDs usually suck, don't last long, I made these little pieces. They are the metal part from like the LED bulbs, like the ones on the ceiling. From an old one, so I didn't need any more. So I cut these to length, and the lights are going to sit right in this little flat part, and then I can mount this. I don't have to worry about the lights sagging or anything like that. It'll be all even. So what I'm going to do is take the backing off of here and then stick it onto here, and then I'm going to go kind of like stitch little pieces of hot glue to hold it in and make sure it doesn't peel off. Alright, what I'm doing for the toggle switch, took the little piece out of the interior. That's like right here with the little like coin slot things, and this just goes right in there. I'm gonna have that wired up through like the cigarette lighter, maybe tied in with the boost gauge, so it's only on when the key is on. That way I can't accidentally leave the lights on and drain my battery. Alright, so I got the wires tied into the boost gauge lights and the cigarette lighter there. Now I'm gonna run those wires back to the other light on that side, and then I'm going to mount the light over on this side. Alright, let's go check out what the lights look like. Key in. Oh yeah, it glows pretty good. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, that little toggle switch right there works perfect. Yeah, it looks good in that little spot.
Yeah. I
think it looks pretty cool. Now I just have to do the back. Might wait to do the back, I'm not too sure yet. Well, alright, I think that's going to be the end of this video. It's a short one today. I'm still waiting on the oil catch can, so that video should be coming up next. Waited a week, and then Amazon says it was late, then it was lost, and I had to cancel and reorder it. Go Amazon, yay. So subscribe if you haven't, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.